Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you exactly how to install the DJI GO app on your smartphone, step by step. Whether you're flying a Phantom, Inspire, or older Mavic drone, this app is essential. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you're installing the right app. DJI GO is for older drones like the Phantom 3, Inspire 1, and early Mavic models. If you have a newer drone like the Mavic Air 2 or Mini 2, you'll need DJI Fly instead. DJI GO is no longer available on the Google Play Store. So here's how to install it manually. Scroll down to the description of this video and copy the link. Paste it in your browser and tap Download Android APK. When prompted, allow downloads from unknown sources in your settings. Once downloaded, open the APK file and tap Install. Once installed, just open the app and log in with your DJI account. For iOS, it's even easier. Open the App Store. Search for DJI GO, not DJI GO 4. Tap Download and Install. Once installed, open the app and connect your drone using a USB cable or wireless link, depending on the model. Make sure your firmware is up to date, and you're good to go. And that's it. You're ready to fly with the DJI GO app. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more drone tips, and let me know in the comments which drone you're using.